Well, there it is. The P-51 Mustang Tuskegee Airmen versus the P-47 Razorback. 3D, there it is. The dream has come with a Vitable 32MZ, P-51 Mustang, and a P-47 3D. Legend, hobby, legend, hobby, legend, hobby.
You know what to do. Here we go. Number 16 flight. Oh yeah. Ooh, God damn, this plane's fast. Ooh, yeah, baby, yeah. Futurama season 13, baby. That's for you, Tuangalila. I like that turn. I like that turn. Set the time for 11 minutes. Initial march is still good. Seven minutes. Keep going. Ooh-wee. Make sure I don't run out of gas. All right, one more and I'm gonna land. There you go. All right, time to bring it down. Do a gill pass. Back on high rates. Low. That's full flaps. It's gonna be a tough to land. Come on, boy. Oh, let me go around, go around. Come on, you better than that, come on. Just a little crosswind. Oh, I knew that was coming. Good thing I got a spare prop. Good thing I got a spare prop. Oh, practice landing. All right, guys. All right, 3 more flights. Engine gonna be breaking in, guys. Whew, that crosswind, man. It's a pain in the butt. All right. Gonna do the battery test. Good thing I got 2 receiver batteries. All right, that's 17th flight right there. 3 more flights to go. Let's get this engine braking in. This is what I want. Yeah. So we got a Sabre going up, F-86 Sabre going up. I'm gonna charge the receiver batteries after this. Motor's good, everything's good. Almost at 20 flights, people. Okay, go ahead. There's my favorite F-86 Sabre. Red tail, yes. We got 2 red tails going out, baby. I'm gonna keep it up high a bit. Our runway clear. Six minutes. We got about half tank. Woo! Low pass, baby, yeah. Okay. Got somebody taking off. One more low pass and I'm landing! All right, landing! It's gonna be mid-flap. God damn, I keep nosing over. All right, let me go get the plane. All right. Here we are, guys. Home sweet home. There's that Boeing 747. Nah, this one, oh, my favorite. Guy gave me to put his turbine jet together. There's my BVM F-56 Sabre. What's up, what's up? Getting your turbine all jet ready? F-18 Hornet, ooh, my favorite jet. Man, that is nice. Got a sweet wind.
Sweet Wind 140.
Sweet wind 140? Oh, that's gonna haul up, that'll rip. That's gonna rip.
Yeah, this is a jet ruler.
Jet ruler?
Jet ruler.
Oh, jet ruler. Oh, it's a jet ruler F-18. Nice, I like it. I like that color scheme too.
Yeah.
Man.
Had a little, I don't know what the field.
Oh.
It's fixed.
Oh man, sorry to hear that.
It was brand new.
Oh, it crash landed or something?
Yeah, I was coming in for landing and it pitched up on me right about a foot and a half off the ground.
Oh.
So what do I do?
And it just caught right.
And I tried to just get it on the gear, and that's what I was able to do. It
That's-
just tore the nose off.
Oh, that sucks, man. Sorry to hear that.
That's all fixed now.
That's good.
She still works.
Scotty's got to keep practicing landing, you know.
Yeah, that was my 13th flight.
13th flight. That was the 13th flight. Dang.
I was trying something new.
Man, it happens, man.
Yeah. Oh, you finally get to see the people.
Oh, yeah. Another Tuskegee Airmen. There it is. Yeah. Somebody copied me. Yes. Yes.
That's the original scheme.
It is
I had.
chrome.
I just chromed it out.
Oh, you did? That's you? Nice. You got the same color like I did.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
That's my favorite.
There you go.
All of
I remember I did it on the 20cc plane. I did it on my big one. Yeah, I did it first. I was the first one that did it. About 11 years ago. All right, he's working on his turbine jet, so get ready to go up in the air. No Woba Gackle yet. It's coming. We're gonna do Woba Gackle Friday and then Saturday. Well, we might do Woba Gackle tomorrow, but Greg Ganson said Friday. Well, man, this is it, and we are home. You clear? Improved plane. Dad, about to take off right now. You got it. All right, try this again. right, this time I'm gonna land it with no flaps.
This one's a hell of a lot easier to get going than the other.
Showtime. This is what I want. All right, 2 more flights. The engine is broken in. Make sure my signal lost. Tawangalila, Amy Wong, baby.
As a reminder, pilots, if you've not grabbed your lunch yet, the Bomber Burgers are off the grill. Just tested one. I can verify they are very tasty. We get a lot of thumbs up on them, so good Bomber Burgers. It's got bacon, peppers, onions. If you're not a pilot, you can go to the registration table and purchase a ticket for a Bomber Burger lunch. And we'll be having them out here all 4 days. I think they're going to do some Bomber dogs as well. So you'll have options the rest of the week. No need to run off anywhere to eat. You stay right here and get some top quality food from the Bomber Field Kitchen.
Yeah, baby. This is it. Probably a fly. Yeah, I still like that. Woo, yahoo! This is what I want. Oh, 4 minutes. Our time to land. One more pass. Yeah. All right, land. I'm 11, no flaps. Let me go around, go around, go around. Let me go do better than that, guys. Hang on, bear with me. Come on, boy. Just remember, I can't slow this plane down. It's a heavy plane. This plane will stall. This crosswind's a little bumpy. There we go. Yeah, that a boy. Got it back, landed better than that time. No flaps. Thank you. I'll put my starter right here for now.
All yours, come on.
All right, coming out. All right, take off.
Go ahead.
Ooh.
Go ahead and go on full throttle. Go ahead.
I'm on full throttle right now.
No,
I'm wide
no,
open. It's still
no.
rich. It's rich. All right, this is gonna be all. I got one more flight. I'm on the 19th flight right now. Yep. So one more flight to go and the engine's broken in. Woo-wee, yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, hit the birds. Get them. All right, here they come. Here they come.
Yeah, you got some coming out.
Yes. I'm gonna stay up high. Robo gaggle time, baby. Woo!
They have, they're taking off.
All right.
You're good, you can turn around.
All right. Oop, don't want to cut in. Oh. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Shake and bake, baby.
Lovely aroma.
Daily 20, baby. Woo! Damn, my plane's keeping up with a big one. Oh, somebody's taking off, y'all.
No.
Oh, nobody's. Okay. There's somebody coming out. Damn, it's keeping up with a Bearcat. That is crazy.
Now there's a plane on the runway.
All right.
Not as fast as the other one.
Dang, smoking that Bearcat. But it's not leaning out yet. It ain't fully leaning out yet.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Tight cat.
Way out in front there. Everybody behind you. You got a lot of space.
I got 7 minutes. I set the time for 11 minutes.
You're out in front.
All right.
Bearcat's landing.
All right.
Bearcat's landing.
Our Bearcat landing.
He's gonna make a gear pass.
All right.
How do I do this now? Oh, I gotta lean. Oh, I gotta do this now. Okay, this way.
Work out. Damn hot. Yeah. Yeah, they're not gonna last long. Nice landing.
What kind of music we got going on
Oh, that's the music is a rap music. It's called gangster. There's nobody singing though. It's instrument.
there? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got it downloaded like that.
Okay.
You see? So only one speaker working though. That's what I love about Futaba, baby. Futaba. I want to say it right, Futaba. You funny today, you crack me up. I'm gonna stay on the grass.
What's that prop?
Prop. Watch your prop.
Oh, we don't want to scratch that prop. Got 5 minutes. All right.
Mowing the grass a while ago
All right.
with that thing.
I'm gonna do one more pass and I'm gonna land. I got about half a tank.
Ooh, you touched it.
All right, landing.
Yancy left your little patch sticking up out there.
Yeah.
As soon as them wheels touch, raise them flaps.
Yep. I got. Yeah, flaps still up. I'm landing with no flaps.
You're all clear whenever you want.
You're here. Nice.
There you go.
Get those flaps.
Nice.
Knock those flaps up. There you go.
There's no flaps.
You landed
I landed with no flaps.
Oh, he landed
Yeah.
with no
Gotta get ready to fight that rudder.
Good job.
All right, taxiing back on the runway.
Where?
I'm still on the runway. I'm still on the runway. Yeah. Yeah. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Hold it. All right. All right. Good to go.
Yeah, I built the Chevrolet.
Oh, you-
Painted it like that.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I sent it to you.
Oh, okay.
I think you posted this right here.
All right. Coming out.
It's plenty fast. Yeah, it'll keep up with the pack.
All right, take it off. All right, here we go. This is it. 20th flight. The engine is broken in. Woo, yeah.
I thought something fell off the plane. It was a shadow up here.
Ooh, that wind is bumpy. I can feel the wind pushing the plane a little bit. The wind is so bumpy. Woo! That was sick.
Watch him, Steve. Watch him.
That was sick. Just remember, my plane is still rich. It ain't fully leaning out yet. This is the last flight. My engine is broken in. She's broken now. Oh yeah, yeah. Watch out for that truck. Look at that. Oh! Woo! Look at that. Still keeping up with it. But you a little faster than mine. You a little faster. Things start running. Woo! Oh, that really so bumpy. You saw that? Shook the plane a bit. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna make a good pass.
Okay. All right, let me get out this way.
Fourth there's coming around from here.
Keep it up a little bit.
That's across midfield, guys.
All right. Ah, damn. Ah, wind. Damn.
The other stand's crosswind in
Doing it again.
Yeah.
All right, I'm landing.
Go ahead, die down. The wind died down.
That's what happened to us yesterday. Yeah, it's right at us. We swept back down the runway. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't land during this. Keith's got the jet hat. Be fresh, I'm landing.
Okay, go ahead. I got 6 more minutes. And I've been pushed my plane a bit. You saw they was pushing my tail a little bit because the wind is so bumpy.
Yeah. We'll do that.
Yep.
Nice. Make it big.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
smooth landing. All right, looks like somebody gonna land next.
Yeah, Rich.
Yeah, I'll be landing last anyway. I got 5 minutes. I set my time for 11 minutes.
Landing.
Okay, I'm gonna land next, right after you. I got 5 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, let me do a gear pass. Gear pass. Ah, dang, he knows it's over. He knows it's over. Let it get his plane. Gear pass.
You're good.
All right,
I see 3.
all right. All right, that's it. My engine is broken in.
He's still up.
Okay, I'm gonna stay up high just in case.
He's coming in.
All right. Yeah, let me climb up a
One
little
more
bit.
round.
Yeah, I'm just gonna circle around. Don't want to get too low. All right, I'm gonna land with no flaps. All right, I'm on high rates.
Very good.
That's it.
Very good.
Engine broke in. Gotta fight that water.
Nice flight, man.
Thank you,
Nice
thank you,
flight.
thank you, Keith. Come on, start that. There you go. Auto start, baby. Woo! That's it, baby. Now it's time to lean it out. Ran out the gas. This is 101, 32 M's out, WC. All right, guys. My 20cc Mustang is broken. Woo! Finally got it broken in. Yes. Ooh, my muscles so tight in my arms. God damn. Ooh. Oh, bang my arm, my hand. Ooh, my hand. feel like my hand paralyzed. Hold on, let's give it a second. Man, getting old, man. Oh, finally got the engine broken in on my 20cc Mustang. Yes. Yes. She's ready to go. I mean, he's ready to go. Now I'm gonna lean it out, and I'm gonna come kick your butt.